We all have dreams that present themselves differently at different times. Every single one of us is creative and curious by nature. Some of us are more curious about nature and our own boundless abilities to write and be creative. There is no sure thing in life, but the only one we have can be lived to the max with the means, opportunities, and talents we have, or it can go by perfectly well, living cautiously. Do you want to be the person that has lived a creative journey that will regale stories of your experiences in old age? Or are you likely to speak of your regrets? I know that coming to Screenwriters Safari in South Africa presents growth and learning in a very special place, in a very special way. I'll leave you with these words that jumped out at me from the beautiful book, Be Water, My Friend. The saying is, unclutter your thoughts and emotions and make space for something you haven't considered before. Keep flowing, my friends.